Say, sir, we are hearing you. Say at least one word. Or say good evening. Very good, very good. Now I came to know because that is a very important factor. Otherwise, I don't know whether you are with me or not. Anyway, the routine habit is that I said just before. Old habits die hard. Next point is old habits seldom die because when I open it, generally the my saying the good morning to everybody, but now it is not a good morning, good evening to everybody. So that I should have to say even not a good evening, but a good afternoon because it's a 3 o'clock. Because the 3 o'clock means it's a good afternoon. After 4, we can say it's a good evening. But anyway, that is justification is there. You can say also say after a long time that if you want to hear anything. Yes. Do you want to say anything? Please say. Do you want to speak? Very good, very good. So, without wasting my time, that I would like to participate. I mean, deal the Constitution MCQ. There is a multiple choice questions, and I would try to make it out to 50. I go in the half of the time in the sequence of the what I say ascending order. Later, I can go for the descending order. Later, I follow it. When the Constitution of India is passed, when it came into effect in India, then they say passed by the Constitution Assembly 25th November 1949 and B passed by the Constitutional Assembly on 26 November 1948 and C D. Which one is the correct one? Yes, that is an exact answer. That is passed by the Constitutional Assembly on 26 November 1949. It came to effect on the 26th January 1950. And who is the drafting committee chairman? And how many days it took the Constitution? Roughly. Yeah, it is around about 268 or 269, but almost all 3 years. It depends upon the what is the figure given in the examination hall. You have to see it. And this is the Constitution. How many amendments are there in the Constitution till now? Yeah, so yes, I will commit because the constitutional amendment when we deal it, it will give us. Or what is 104 constitutional amendment deals with? 370 article it deals with the special status to the Jammu and Kashmir. Yeah, because that article is given SC, ST another 5 or 10 years extended the reservations. Yeah, yes. The second question is when the national emblem of India was adopted. National emblem of India is adopted in the 26th January 1950 and 1947. None of the above, which is the right answer. It is 26th January 1950. It's the right answer. National emblem. What is your national emblem? What is our national emblem? How many lions are there? How many you could see? And what other things? Whether it is there on the national flag? Okay. What is another side? Is it a horse or a bull? Is it a horse or a bull? Please check it because that here explanation which I given the day India was declared the republic with its constitution coming into effect, a representation of the land capital of the Ashoka was initially adopted as the emblem of the Dominion of India in December 1947. The current version of the emblem was officially adopted on 26th January 1950, the day India became the republic. Yes. The third question goes like this: the Indian constitution often called as a dash sack of borrowing, bag of borrowing, case of borrowing and such it is said to be a bag of borrowing is the right answer for that one. And the list of the borrowed features of Indian Constitution is a bag of borrowing or just a paper and a scissor work. Otherwise, they can also say that whether the bag of borrowing or whether it is a dash, just a paper and a scissor work. So that is the also they can ask you the question. Yeah, now then the fourth question is goes like this one. In which amendment of Constitution of India containing the details of the acquired and the transferred territories between the government of India and Bangladesh has been included in the appendix fifth? It is the answer is 100. It is 100 appendix fifth 100 is the right answer for that one. And please sometimes you use the logic and you read it and make it because reading that is only the best remedy to keep it in your memory. That is the point because I have already told you till today nobody has measured the how many gigabytes your brain cells it's having the bytes how many bytes the brain is having over there nobody is measured, unfathomed that we can use the word. Now coming to the back to the fifth question is sovereign democratic republic. Sovereign democratic republic. Words are is used in the yes in which amendment? 42nd amendment it is made over there sovereign democratic republic. Whether the sovereign democratic republic is a part of the basic structure, answer is yes. Why yes yes. Preamble yes. Of course. And later on, that is added over there. And now the question comes over there. What are yes, yes, yes. Number one. Number two, judicial review. Judicial review also cannot be taken out. No, no, no. Judicial review cannot be also taken out because every case should be go to the judicial review. That's my point. Yes, yes. That is the point which I want to show you. Yes. Okay, okay. Yes, I do admit it. Yes. Any other thing that you want to supplement? Yes, in the preamble under liberty, dash mentioned the five words, right in the correct sequence of those words. Of thought, belief, yes. Anyone? That is the right answer. That is the B is the right answer of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. That is the sequence that you have to make it as in liberty. The liberty words goes with this one. Liberty of thought, liberty of expression, liberty of belief, liberty of faith, and liberty of worship. That is the wordings which you should use. Mnemonics is TEPFA. Mnemonics is TEPFA. TEB TEPFA. If you could remember it, you can easily find it out. What is the correct sequence of the four words in the preamble of Constitution of India? Justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. This is the sequence. How do you remember it? Again, they highlight Julef, Julef, Julef. If you remember that thing, the mnemonics is you can easily remember that justice, liberty, and equality and fraternity. So that is the right answer for that one. How many parts are there in the Constitution of India? Anyone? I appreciate. I appreciate. Yes, here I given it is only 10 plus 13, 23, not 25. It is 23. X means 10. X means 10. 20. 1133. So 23. 23 is the right answer. However, the parts are. Okay, how many schedules are there in the Constitution of India? 12 schedules. Mottam dozen. 12 schedules are there. And in which schedule, state list, concurrent list, and central list is there. Mm. No, I doubt it's not the 12th schedule. No, because even also I have to check it whether three schedule, third schedule, or fourth schedule. But the seventh schedule deals with seventh schedule because seventh and ninth is very important. Uh, Ninth is where the languages come. Languages. See, I also doubt. Of course, I covered it here in this one. Don't worry. Okay, let me see because Yeah, and then I'll come to here because I also covered over there. In which article the word only once crime is mentioned in the whole Constitution of India? Only one time the word crime is used in the whole Constitution of India in the section. It is not section. Article 326 is the article. What is the 326 stands for? Anyone? Is it the amendment of the? I forget. Even myself also. 326. Anyway, you will check it. We will see, because it is given, crime is given in the 326. That is the answer. But we will go further, then we will know that what is the things are there. The election to the House of the People and to the Legislative Assembly of the every state is not less than 18 years of age is made under which amendment this. Okay. Election is that is the word only once crime is used over there. Okay, I agreed it. This we already dealt in the morning. Because when I was dealing with the adding 10 days, I already dealt with this one. That the age limit is decreased from 21 to 18 years in the 61st amendment in the 1988 amendment act it is made, because in the morning we covered it. Is it not? Say yes, sir. Yes, very good, very good. Yes. In which article first time the word woman is used for making any special provision for her? Woman. Yes, Article 15, sub-article 3, it deals about the women first time used over there. Can anybody give what is that article says? Any idea? Agreed. What about the bonded labor removal of the child below the age of 14 years? In which article it dealt? Bonded labor. Child bonded labor. No. No, not 14. Not 14. Because that is 14 is the equality law of law and equal protection of laws. That is the 14 space over there. I think it is 17 it is given over there. Please, subject to the verification. Yes. Because that is also very important factor nowadays. And the things are there. Yeah. And who argued the Nirbhaya case? Who argued the Nirbhaya case? Why are taking that much time? Because today somebody is posted in the WhatsApp. Somebody is posted today. Nirbhaya case. Kushwa. Are you hearing me? Yeah, it is a Kushwa. I don't know the full name is, but the Kushwa is that she's again going to take the other. Yes, and she's going to take the other case also. But the court is that state is coming to her hurdle. Yes. Now come to the next point is yes. Other people are having the very much sound is there. Adjustment sound is I'm getting. Yeah. So when you want to say that you unmute it, otherwise you close it, or you hear the earphone. Yeah. Which amendment is regarded as the most controversial constitutional amendment in history of India? I think everybody knows it's the Indira Gandhi period. 42nd Amendment is the Indira Gandhi period, because many of the fundamental rights, many other things are removed over there, and it is a very chavak over there, and many amendments made to the article, and that was the controversial amendment which is made in the period of the Indira Gandhi, madam. Yes, come to the 14th question is the word the state is defined, explained under the article. Yes. I appreciate. Whether the university is a state, answer is yes. What is the electricity board? Electricity board is a state. Anything which is given by the government, respective government is a state. Yeah. So no person accused of any offence shall be compelled to be a witness against himself under the article Constitution of India. Hmm? Both A and B. No, 23. That is the right answer. Article, yes. Article 23. What about the double jeopardy? 20, sabbatical 2. What is 21? Ex post facto law. Ex post facto law. Is it? Retrospective effect or prospective effect? Yes, yes, yes. Ex post facto law means, just now I told you. Yeah. Yes, that is yeah. What is the right terminology? What is the right terminology? You tell me. Legal terminology. I want legal terminology. You can say both. After the fact or retroactive law. What is the opposite for the retroactive law? Yes. What is the opposite? Opposite. Yes, that's I want from you. Retrospective means from the past. Retroactive means from the future, means from the date when it is made over there. Yes, I already discussed the double jeopardy is mentioned in which article? COI of the Constitution. Yes, now you tell me what is the famous case law in double jeopardy? It's a famous case law, landmark case law in the IPC. Bombay case law. Mahmood Hussain versus State of Bombay. That is the landmark case law. There is a two landmark case law is there regarding the what is the provocation case law? Provocation. That is a he's a capital. He's a commander. He's a commander. Yeah, he's a commander in the ship, and her wife had the illegal intimacy with the somebody else. K. M. Nanavati versus State of Bombay. That is the case law where the jury system is ended by that case law. Please note the point. Jury system was there. That is the end of the case law where the jury is no more there. And with that case law, that is the end of the case law of the Indian system regarding the jury is concerned. Here, jury means a person who is having an effective knowledge in particular area is said to be a jury. Whether it is from your side, the sound, or from my side. I am getting the sound. Yes. Okay, come to the point here. Every person who is arrested and detained in the custody shall be produced before the nearest magistrate within a period of 24 hours under which article of the Constitution of India? Yes. No, 21 2 is a different thing because that it gives the compulsory education for the child up to the age of 6 to 14 years. No, it is 25 2. It is is it? You checked it. Okay, okay, okay. So subject to the correction because I want to highlight it in this one because I want to check it whether it's true or not. Yeah, yeah. Because I don't know how I made a mistake. Let me check it. Okay, let me check it later. Even not now. Okay, I appreciate it because I put the red mark over there. Okay. This which article is referred to as the jewel of the Constitution? Jewel of the Constitution. Why you are taking that much time? See, when you are taught yourself fundamental rights, what do you do? When you are a fundamental rights are seized over there, what do you do? It is Article 32, a jewel, a jewel of the Constitution. Yes, yes, yes. The writs. I am speaking about it. Yes, I don't know whether you have seen the movie Jewel Thief. Did you see the movie Jewel Thief? Anyone? Sir, why the movie is here? Who is the actor? Who is the actor? Yes, movie. Okay, either I think Jewel Thief is the Dharmendra to my knowledge, if not Devanand. I believe that is Dharmendra only. Okay, come to the next point. No child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory or man engaged in any other hazardous employment under which article of the Constitution of India? Hmm? It is the 24. It is the 24, the right answer. Yeah, the state shall endeavor to secure for the citizens of a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India is spelled out under which article of the Constitution of India? Uniform Civil Code. Article 42, Article 43, Article 44, Article 45. It is Article 45 is the right answer for the Uniform Civil Code. Okay, I don't know how I committed him. Yes, yeah, you are right, you are right. No, you are right. Yes, it is Article 44. Yeah, you are right, you are right. Yeah, I made the correction. No, you are right. Article 44. Can you tell me that in which country the Uniform Civil Code is used? Anyone? In the civil law countries, Uniform Civil Code work, UCC, is the common code to each and everybody. Civil law country. In civil law country, I said, of course, USA also, Kamala, they use it because some of the parties are ruled over by the Britishers who are there. And civil law country means African continent, mostly Ethiopia, Eritrea, France, Germany, there the uniform civil code is there. And most of the part of the East Africa, there is a uniform civil code, they will use it. Do you know that I taught law of taught in the form of sections, not in the form of presidents in the Eritrea, where I was worked at the University of Asmara. It is a uniform civil code is there. Yes, the one civil and the contract also in the civil code and the crimes also in the civil code in the family law also in the civil code even the torts also in the civil code you will find it over there. That's why they say UCC uniform civil code is there, which is common in the common law in the civil law countries. Yes, come to the next point. The word maternity relief is given under the which article of the Constitution of India? It is a 42. Now you tell me that how much the period of the maternity leave now? Before or after? Suppose if you want to take 6 months at a stage after, not like that. I think option is given to them either to take the before 3 months or after 3 months. I think the option is given because I did not see the rules. No, suppose I want only half of the time means 3 months means the half of it. Like I take the 1 month before and 5 months later, what will happen? They don't give the like that. Okay, anyway, that I did not see the rules. That's why I did not know it. Now come to the matter of the Union and the State Public Service Commission to conduct the examination for the appointment to the services of the Union and the service of the state, respectively under which article of the Constitution of India? 320 is the right answer for that one because Public Service Commission, Union Service Public Commission, or State Public Service Commission, if any appointment would be there by the virtue of the article Constitution of India is 320, it deals with it. Is there any age limit for the Union Service Commission members? Even I myself also don't know. I think the same rule would be applicable to the membership of the Public Service Commission. Anyway, that we will see that if you want a direct answer, I should ask Madam Chandravati, Madam, whether the limit is there or not. Okay, come to the again point. 24th question is we will who will appoint the IS officer in India? Yes, this already. No. UPSC chairman only declared the result, but the appointment is made by the president anywhere in India. Anywhere in India, the appointment is there, and it is he who can remove it, even the IAS also. And not only IAS, I believe that in the IFS also, I believe, because that also comes in the same rank, because it is a division, because I'm doubtful. Yes, IFS also comes in the same. And who is eligible for the IFS, and where they will be appointed? IFS. Yes, recruitment, that is same. But no, no, no. That depends upon the person. Suppose if a person given the chance, suppose if your highest score, you can choose either the IAFS or AFS. Or not necessarily, because some of the people will not choose the IAS, they choose the IFS, Indian Foreign Services. No, no, no. If you are given a chance to me to choose, I never choose IAS. I choose IFS. Why? Yes, yes, yes. Because we can see the other countries more. Uh, but they can enjoy the same immunity from the other foreign countries and okay, that depends upon. That's why the people say "Purra koko gunamu, jiho koko ruchi." That is the saying is there. Yes, and T. N. Sheshan is famous for what? T. N. Sheshan. He is the he is the he is the lion. He is the lion in the election commission at the time. Yes, that's why people say if the days are gone, of course he's a late now, 10 session, but people never forget his reforms which he's made for the election procedure because he's a lion, the people will say it. Let's come to the matter of the Prime Minister leads dash a branch of the government of India, legislative, executive, judiciary, all of them. Prime Minister. Prime Minister is in an executive branch of the government of India, and who is the boss in the judiciary? No, that is the executive. Executive is the right word. Yes, who is the boss in the judiciary? Yeah, generally it is the chief justice the boss. The second boss, actually, for the legal fraternity, for the legal arguing the case, it is not the chief justice because chief justice is the post. But the first lawman is attorney general or advocate general. No, it is solicitor. No, attorney general. Attorney general is the first lawman. What is the difference in attorney general and advocate general? Who is the advocate general of the state Telangana now? Banda. Yeah, yeah. Suppose if it is Banda is not given there, Prakash is given. That what you do? Uh, yes, please try to remember the whole name. That is a very good way. Suppose they give you B.S. Prasad. Sir, we know only Banda. Banda is not there. B is there. Of course, that will come into the mind. Okay, now tell me that who is an attorney general now? He is the incumbent. Yes. No, he is a solicitor general. No, 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 no. Who said? Attorney general is only one. Solicitor general are many, six to seven. Yes, yes. Now I say solicitor general, attorney general is just now you said. Yes, yes. He is the attorney general, and one of the very famous Soli Sorabji also. He's a I think he's a very good advisor because his name, of course, in the big Ramjet Melani, Sori Sarabji, Naini Palkewala, these are all ligands. And yes, yes, because we cannot beat them. Yes, 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 yes. Because those who are famous in their field, they never be forgotten. I say famous, I did not say renowned. See, renowned also famous, but renowned in the negative side, and famous is the, of course, not renowned. Renowned is the positive. Then what is for the negative? Notorious. Renowned is the for positive, notorious is the negative. That we can say that. Which among the following is not created with the constitution? Planning Commission, Finance Commission, Election Commission, UPSC. It is a 5 years plan, 10 years plan. It is not the constitution. It is only the PM makes it. No, no, it is the Planning Commission is not created with the constitution. But other yeah, other is constitution. Finance Commission is the constitution. Election Commission is the constitution, and the UPSC. Yes, 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 yes. You are right. How many year plan is going on now? Second year, third year, 10th year. This planning commission, 5 year plans. How many plans are there now? 10th year plan, 12th year plan. Did you have any idea? Which plan is going on now? No, I am not speaking about the finance commission. I am speaking about the planning commission. 5 years planning commissions. Okay, okay, okay. Now I get it. Yes. Thank you very much for your mind updating me in this regard. The present age should not be less than dash years. The president I am speaking. Less than. It should not be less than 35 years. 35 is the answer for that one. He should not be less than 35 years. And what is the, of course, everybody knows it. Panchayat Raj elections, what is the age limit? I mean, for a franchise. Are you sure? Uh-huh. 17 or completion of 18. It is the 18 years, completion of the 18 years. That's why we say from 21 years to 18 years has come over there. That's why we can make it out in that regard. Okay, now come to the matter of the age limit definition of the senior citizen under the acts of the rules in India for the men, dash, and for the women under railway rules. Suppose even I do have the railway season ticket with me, I can take the season ticket whenever I want to come to Khammam. And and what is the age limit for that one? For getting the senior citizen for man is different from woman. Woman is less or woman is more. No, there is a distinction. Woman is different senior citizen and man is different senior citizen. No. 2 years. I am giving the hint to you. 2 years. 2 years gap. Okay, 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 okay. Now you tell me. Now you tell me. Very good. 60 and 58 is the senior citizenship that we can make it out. సార్ ఎప్పుడైనా తీసుకున్నా ప్లీజ్ నోట్ ద పాయింట్ సీనియర్ సిటిజన్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయండి అంటే కలిపికి తీసుకుంటే మంచిదా కలపకుండా తీసుకుంటే మంచిదా ఎవరికి వారు తీసుకుంటే మంచిదా విచ్ ఇస్ ద బెస్ట్ మెథడ్ ఎస్ 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 సపోజ్ బోత్ యువర్ వైఫ్ అండ్ హస్బెండ్ ట్రావెలింగ్ విచ్ ఇస్ ద బెస్ట్ మెథడ్ టు టేక్ ద టికెట్ సపరేట్లీ సపరేట్ టికెట్ ఆర్ కంబైన్ టుగెదర్ వన్ టికెట్ రీజన్ చెప్పాలండి మీరు కాబోయే లాయర్లు మీరు రీజన్ లాజిక్ ఉపయోగించండి కొంచెం అవునండి మా ఆవిడది నేనన్నా మా ఆవిడ ఉన్నది 58 మోర్ ఉన్నది ఆమె కూడా సీనియర్ సిటిజన్ కాకపోతే రెండు ఇవ్వండి అని చెప్తాను నేను బికాజ్ ఆమె ప్రూడెంట్ మ్యాన్ మీరే చెప్తారు ఐ ఆస్క్ ద క్వశ్చన్ బోత్ ఆర్ సీనియర్ సిటిజన్ వైఫ్ అండ్ హస్బెండ్ ట్రావెలింగ్ ఓవర్ దేర్ which is the best method to take separately ticket or own ticket both the name should be there just use the No, no, I will come to your rescue. Okay, no, no. One, no, no, no. No, 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 I will give you. Yes, now, Sharad Babu is coming to the point. Okay, you are coming to the point. Please tell me the total thing so that I could proceed. That is the what I want to expect from you. Because when you take the separate ticket, now she will travel. She will go to the ladies' compartment and sit over comfortably. I can hang, I can stand over there and go to the common without sitting. But I am not a fool enough to stand over there. What I do know, either the beds are there, I will go, climb the berth and I will sit over there. If not, I will use some paper or some other paper. Then I will extend my legs towards the door. I will sit over there if I could not able to stand over there, because that is the man what should have do. Of course, by looking at me, at least some young man will stand and give the seat to me. Mostly that it has happened in several times too. Yes, coming to the point is, and minimum age for the registration as a voter 18 years by virtue of the article. Just before I told, I think 18 years. Minimum age for the registration as a voter for the 18 years by virtue of which article? 329. That is no. That is sorry. 326 is the right. Yeah, 326 is the right answer. 326 is the right answer for that 18 years by virtue of this so and so. So now the Union Territory are 9. Is it or not? Is it or not? Now it is merged now. There's only 8 Union Territories now in India. It is merged. Which one is merged? Jammu and Kashmir is merged or Pondicherry is merged? Because number 3 and 4, Dadar Nagar Haveli. Yeah. Yes. Yes. It is Dadar Nagar Haveli and Diamond Dayu is clubbed together. Now we can say only 8 union territories are there. Because the first one is Andaman Nicobar Islands, number 1. Number 2 is Chandigarh. Number 3, Dadar Nagar Haveli, plus the other fourth is merged together. That is the Daman Dayu is one now. The National Capital Territory of Delhi is a separate union territory. And Jammu and Kashmir, of course, no, Jammu and Kashmir now they made the separate territory, not one territory. Please, separate territory that is. Union territory. Jammu is separate and Kashmir is separate. Yeah, yeah, Lakshadweep and Ladakh. Ladakh also made separate. Then we can say 9 union territories are there at present. Because Jammu and Kashmir is merged into, it is bifurcated, not into two, because bifurcate itself is two. So bifurcated as a Jammu territory and a Kashmiri territory. Subject to the correction, please check it. I'm sure what I said is right. Jammu territory and Kashmir territory. Two separate territories are there. Let's come to the next 33 question is which amendment is the Constitution of India officially known as or popularly known as the Bank of Nationalization? Nationalization Bank. Which amendment says Constitution of India? It is 25 is the amendment which says the bank nationalized case. Well, now you tell me which is the recently the bank merged into the Union Bank of India. Huh? What about another bank, Canara Bank? No, 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 sorry. Syndicate Bank. Let's check Syndicate Bank. No, into which bank it is merged? Please check it. Because that also going to be asked. I am sure if not be mistaken, Canara Bank, Syndicate Bank is Syndicate Bank is merged into Canara Bank. Then what about this IOB? IOB is it okay? Please check it because the first time I opened the account is IOB. Okay, right. Which case is called the Bank National case? Bank National case. Which case is the Bank of India officer case, R.C. Cooper case, or Jitendra Bahadur case, or Ramesh Thapar case? Okay, now you tell me what is the famous for Ramesh Thapar case? Anyone? Because he is published in one newspaper, Madras. Is it fundamental right? It is expression section article 19(1)(a). Yes, it is the same case. It is a Ramesh Thapar case. If because commercial advertisement is different and ordinary what I say expression is different. So that is the distinction made in the Ramesh Thapar case. But anyway, subject to correction again. Now come to the 35th point is now the time is 4:43. Still we can go in the reverse order and we will see that how best we can make it out. Please, I already discussed this thing in the YouTube, and please listen to my YouTube classes so that you could it will be a repetition to you, and it will be very much helpful to you. Okay, now the reversing order we go to the COVID-19 is the malignant act likely to be spread infection of disease dangerous to life covered or attacks which section of the IPC respectively. 188 is there. I know. 188 is there definitely. But what is the other thing? 270, 188 and 270. These are the two IPC section which will attract the COVID-19. That is the malignant. Pandemic, the pandemic disease. Can you tell me that in which country where wearing mask is fined in the entire world? Fine. You will be fined. If you wear the mask, you will be fined. Okay, I'll give you the hint. Okay, tell me, African continent. Yes, African continent. Tell me. It is the Tanzania is the only one country, if you find it in a Google search engine, where the death rate and infections are concerned. Because if you wear the mask, even the police will fine you. Because the reason is malaria death rate is more. Malaria death rate is more. No. Okay, very few cases because they consumed a lot of the chloroquine. They consumed a lot of the chloroquine. That's why they have the more resistant power to malaria. So this COVID will not do anything to them. Yeah, the COVID will not do anything to them because everybody will die with their malaria, and more people die with the malaria rather than the AIDS and the COVID because they consume so much. At least if you could not get malaria once, that means your body system is not working in proper manner. Because I asked the doctor, sir, doctor, because I did not get the malaria in the span of so and so day. And then he said, no. At least one should have to get it because that shows that your body is functioning in proper manner. But anyway, in the span of the 12 to 15 years, I got the malaria once. But I cured it because malaria is not the death pandemic. But only the thing is your taste buds will go away. And now you could see the caption. What is the caption? Yes. Now we will come to the point. Next point we will go it. Now we will see the Constitution of India under Article Dash provides that every state must provide a primary education in a mother tongue. Which article says about it? The primary education should be in a mother tongue. Yes, anyone? The right answer is the Article 350, capital A is the right article. That mother tongue will say. Why not you say the father tongue? Why do you say mother tongue? Anyone? Logic. Why do you say mother tongue? Why don't you say the father tongue? It is the mother only who teaches the child very much because the mother is domesticated over there. I mean, domesticated in the sense she will be the housewife would be there, and the more exposed to the baby is the mother. Hence, we say the mother tongue. That's the reason we don't say the father tongue. Then come to the next. The commissions are concerned. Yes, anything that you would like to say? Yes, come to the point. Yes, please stay. Yes, contribute. Which one? Mother tongue. You want to ask the mother tongue? C is the answer. Article 350, capital A. I told already. I told her, I said, which is the right word? I told her, I said, which is the right word? No, preferably because I told you are because directly I'm saying said means I said to somebody else. Told means face to face. Yeah, that is the point. Okay, there are over dash different languages in India. How many languages are in India? How many? The answer is 1369. 1369. These are the different languages in India. Of course, there are probability would be there in the languages. Which schedule will cover it? Please check it whether the schedule 9 will cover the languages or not. Please check it. The languages, which is the latest language which is included in the schedule. Latest language. Anyone? Latest language included in the schedule, because that language will be spoken in the Kashmiri. I think there is a the Dongri, something like that. Anyway, check it. That is the latest language that which is included, which is the language of the Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir also. Yes, of course, Urdu is already there at the time. Then we'll come to the next. First time under which article dash minority educational institution referred under the Constitution of India. It is inserted under which amendment? Minority education institution, because this our minor college of law also the minority educational institution that is under the minority education society, and which article will get it attract over there? Which article? The answer is article 15, sub article 5 and 93. These are the articles which will attract the minority institutions. Yes, minority institution, that is the article which will be clearly mentioned over there. And now socially, educationally backward classes means such backward classes are so deemed under of the Constitution of India. Yes, now you tell me, Article 338A or Article 342A, Article 350A, Article 359A. Which is the correct answer? I am speaking about the socially and educationally backward classes. Yes, anyone? Yes? Speak. Speak. Open and speak. Unmute and speak. The answer is 342 is the right answer for that one, which is socially and educationally backward classes means such backward classes are so deemed under the dash of the Constitution of India. Yeah. Acha, which schedule? Which one? Very good. What about ninth schedule? Please remember, schedules are important. At least one or two questions will be asked in the schedules. So go through the schedules very well. Okay, now they come to the matter of the last, because the time is going to up. It's the time.